very good evening to all of you. Okay, in this program we have decided to pick a problem which I put myself in this problem. I know all of you are such as, especially the judge, a very busy person. So of course there's a lot of things to manage, and of course you are not always around your house. So what's they left and forgot at home? Of course, your letter. Every day, postman will come to your house and will put your letter in your mailbox. So, especially in this case, we focus on bill. Okay, next. I put myself in this situation. Just like you have go to our station maybe to the Kelantan for about 2 months. So when you come back to your home, of course, your electrical bill, such as electrical bill, will not pay for 2 months. So you just get to your home and tada, no lamp. Okay, no electrical. So how do we want to overcome this problem? We have create SkyPay. SkyPay is a software which we create the system by using the device. Okay, this is our software. We read the code by the scanner, which is located in the mailbox. Okay, this is our device, and this is a prototype, simple prototype. This is the scanner. When the postman put your bills or your especially bills, we focus on the bills. When the postman put your bills in this box, so the scanner will read the code, and then it will go to the server, and the server will send the SMS to your mobile phone and give the details how much you have to pay for your bills. Okay, next. Okay, this is the system. Okay, for example, electrical bills just received to your mailbox. So this is the scanner will read the barcode. So it will go to the server. Server just like TNB and so on. So it will go to the server, and the server will be sent the SMS to your mobile phone. So you will get all the information, and this system also we made that you can just pay your bills in just how to pay. Just go. Okay, this is our service provider and collaboration with. Demo. Okay, that's your bill. So there's a phone call. Do you want to pay it right now or later? So you just click yes. So on just a moment, just a few seconds, you can pay your bill without go to the office, post office or to the bank. So you don't need to queue. Okay, that's all. So we have made collaborations with such as TN, Astro, TNB. So when we have collaboration with them, so they will buy our device, that is the mailbox. So when they will put the barcode, so automatically we will get the barcode. So if we scan, get save information. Maybe not all service, but we focus on important service.
Any questions? No more? All right.
Yes, thank you.